A very warm welcome to you, and thank you so much for joining our Homeopathy 24/7 podcast. We are going to be speaking to an array of international guests who will share their knowledge and experiences of homeopathy with you. We will discuss all types of subjects such as remedies, symptoms, and stories of health. No matter where you are with your homeopathic journey, we aim to inspire you on your quest to natural health and living. The podcast is brought to you by Greensmith, the founder of Homeopathy 24/7, which is a global platform connecting you with a homeopath wherever you are in the world, 24 hours a day. So let's get started with today's chat. Please welcome Mary Greensmith.
Happy Christmas, everybody. I am so excited to join you today from the comfort of my own sitting room. I hope you enjoy coming to my house today and just enjoying some Christmas cheer. And I really want to take this opportunity of saying just a very big thank you to you, our community, our homeopathic community, and to our homeopathic team of homeopaths who have worked so hard this year in creating so much information, being available to help you learn more about homeopathy, and of course available to take acute consultations when you have needed those as well. So really important just to know that you are very much appreciated and our team are very much appreciated as well. And together, what a wonderful community we are creating. We've had such a brilliant year. Let's just go through some of the things that we have achieved in 2022. Of course, let's start with this podcast, coming together each week just to chat with other homeopaths, just to talk about homeopathy, just to bring homeopathy into your lives, into your community, so that you have got somebody to learn about homeopathy with as well. Now, the thing is that when we just first start learning about homeopathy, it very quickly becomes addictive. And it's very painful for your family and friends and those around you if they're not really that interested, because it is so addictive. We just want to talk about it and learn more about it so much. So for us as homeopaths, that is one brilliant reason why it is so important for us to come together and talk about homeopathy with you, because it gives us the opportunity to talk about homeopathy more and more. And of course, we love to do that. So that's number one. That's what we started our podcast in July this year, and we're doing really well with it. And we've got some lovely homeopaths who have come on to talk, and we look forward to seeing where that takes us next year as we continue to just have chats about homeopathy. We also, at the beginning of the year, if we go back a little bit further, we launched our Homeopathy for Dog Owners app, which is available on the App Store and on Google Play. So very useful resource for you finding the right remedy to help prescribe for your dogs. Now, as you know, some of our homeopaths from certain countries, we're not allowed to prescribe or treat other people's dogs. So some of our homeopaths, I might add, can, from the country that they work in, they are allowed to have consultations with dog owners to help. So what we generally do is have coaching sessions so that we help you learn more about homeopathy so that you can help to treat your own animals. So that's how we can help you. So we've got a course for that, and we've just launched the new app as well. So a really useful way for you to see if you can match up the symptoms, what you're experiencing, what you can see with the remedies that are on there. And of course, we have got the remedy kits available in our membership area. So they're only for our members. You have to be a member before you can order a remedy kit. And you can then match that up with the app. We have started 15 new Facebook groups about homeopathy. So that has been a tremendous achievement, and we are continuing to grow our Facebook community, because it's so important for you to understand, to find the right people that you need, and the right homeopaths that can help you. So let's just have a quick look at some of those Facebook groups that we have started. So recently, of course, we've started a new homeopathy for autism groups, and we have started one for eyes. Let me just bring this up so I can give you the exact title of it. We're getting quite a collection now. For homeopathy for eyes and vision is what you will be searching for. And another team of homeopaths have started up eczema and homeopathy, so look out for that one. We've got homeopathy for coughs. Brilliant, brilliant. Having a team who are just going to talk about how your cough is different to your son's cough and your daughter's cough and your friend's cough. Coughs are the hardest things to prescribe for. So anything we can learn about prescribing for coughs is really, really useful. We've got homeopathy and palliative care, which of course is very, very important to help support carers as well as patients. So have a look for that one on our Facebook group. On the website homeopathy247.com, you will find under the learning tag, you will find the drop down of the Facebook groups. So you can just go onto there and click on the ones that you would like to join. We've got farm animals and homeopathy. We've got homeopathy for diabetes. We've got sleep well with homeopathy. We've got homeopathy and natural health for thyroid conditions. So that's a very important one. We've got homeopathy in Spanish. So we've got a whole Spanish group if you're a Spanish speaker. And what other new ones have we got? Homeopathy for strep throat, UTIs and other infections. Really, really important. Homeopathy for gut health was a new group this year. And what else? Post jab, that was a new one. Detoxing with homeopathy, that was new this year. Homeopathy for teeth has just had its 1-year anniversary. So that's a year old now. Homeopathy for Lyme and co-infections. If you're a Lyme sufferer or know somebody that is, we have a team of homeopaths answering your questions and available to support you and help you through this. Homeopathy supporting cancer, of course, is a very important group, and homeopathy for infertility is also really important. Let's have a look at some of our new ebooks that we have created this year, because we've had quite a few coming out in relationship to these groups as well. So most of these groups, when you join them, you will be asked if you want to receive a free ebook as well. So we've got one for teeth, one for horse owners, we've got one for menopause, we've got one for sleep, one for gut, one for diabetes, and there are still more and more homeopathic ebooks coming out. Now, one of our challenges for 2022 23 will be to enter the world of Amazon publishing and get some of these ebooks out and proper published, so you can actually have them on your Kindle or in paper to actually read through and put on your shelf then as well. So please do encourage our homeopaths to get out there and start publishing some of these really, really useful books, resources for you as well. So what else have we achieved this year? We have got a new course that came out in the beginning of September. It's a 6-month course called Homeopathy at Home, and it gives you a video and instructions and printouts, downloads every week for 6 months. So that is a really, really useful resource. You will find the details of this course on homeopathy-at-home.com. So I'll put that link underneath so you can go straight there and join in. And it's just a rolling course so that it helps you carry on learning, because I know that sometimes you buy courses and it's really difficult to carry on. So that is something that we have put out this year for you. And we have a monthly live webinar session, which is either a questions and answers, or we go into a specific detail and we go through a presentation with you as well, just to help encourage you to keep learning about homeopathy. Because the thing is, once you start with homeopathy, it's very difficult to stop. You've never learned it all. There's always something else that you need to know. And of course, the more you practice, the more you get to know the remedies. We have being published, hopefully this week, our first resource book, which will be for you to write your prescriptions in. So that's Homeopathy at Home Prescriptions, and we will put the link for you to get that straight from Amazon, so that you actually have a book to write down what you're prescribing for each member of the family, because this really, really helps with your prescribing methodology. So we've talked about the ebooks, we've talked about the Facebook groups, we've talked about the app and the course. So let me just say that our team at Homeopathy 24/7, all these wonderful homeopaths who are helping you all learn a lot about homeopathy, being led by a team of homeopaths is such a brilliant way to continue the inspiration of learning. And we have welcomed 20 new homeopaths to our team this year. So really, thank you, homeopaths from all around the world, for joining our team here and helping spread the word of homeopathy and helping everybody here learn something else that they didn't know about homeopathy. Because if we can stay together as a group and inspire each other, it just means that more and more people will want to learn, want to have a little bit of the extra energy that we have got. So that is really, really important. So thank you, a wonderful, wonderful team of homeopaths from homeopathy27.com. And of course, this is the website that you go to if you need an acute consultation, homeopathic consultation on the spot. All of our homeopaths work at specific times, so that there's always somebody there to take your consultation when you need it. Even if it's in the middle of the night, you can just get online and have a consultation there and then, when your little ones are ill, when they're actually suffering, when you are so stressed it's just too difficult to find a remedy. This is when our team is available for you. Thank you to you for supporting this brilliant resource. We get such beautiful feedback from our clients, from people that use the platform, just saying what a brilliant resource it is. And it is down to you to having told all of your friends and family about this platform. So thank you for spreading the word. Long may it continue. It's been a brilliant resource. It's been great fun to work with you all and with our team of homeopaths. We do love being there for you. So I do hope you'll continue to tell other people about the platform, because it is so useful. And as a thank you, I just want to let you know that we are launching today our 12 days of Christmas offer, which means we'll have a different offer each day over the next 12 days. That'll take us through to about January the 6th. And the offers will be available for a week, 2 weeks, some of them 3 weeks, throughout January, depending on what they are. So our team have come together, put together a collection for you. So we've got money off some kits, we've got money off some specific types of consultation, we've got just depending on which homeopath has got particular packages that they put together for you, so you can learn more about this. We've got 50% off a couple of the courses that we do. We've got money off a consultation, acute consultation, and a full consultation if you are wanting to give that to a friend or family sometime over January. So look out for our email. It will be arriving all throughout the next 12 days. So if you're not on our email list, please do log in to Homeopathy 24/7 and fill in the form so that you can receive these offers during January. They don't come around very often. So just make the most of it, enjoy it, and remember to share it with all your friends and family, because that is what Christmas is all about. Just sharing what we have, sharing the knowledge that we have, and sharing the resources that we have, and sharing the fact that everybody has got a health choice. They don't have to be told exactly what to do. They can think for themselves, because there is a choice out there with homeopathy. So enjoy Homeopathy 27, enjoy your Christmas, and I wish you the very best 2023. I look forward to speaking to you on the other side. Merry Christmas, everybody. Happy New Year. I hope you enjoyed just meeting up, ready for the new year today. I look forward to seeing you again next week, and we're going to be talking about homeopathy for animals, how you can be prescribing for your animals, and how useful it is just to be able to have something to help them through stressful moments, emotional problems, as well as physical ailments. So I look forward to seeing you next week to talk about homeopathy and animals.
We hope you enjoyed today's episode and look forward to listening to our next one. Please don't forget to follow our podcast on your chosen channel, and please do leave us a review so we can continue to share homeopathy with as many people as possible. If you do have any questions, please do reach out to us on any of our social platforms mentioned in the show notes. We at Homeopathy 24/7 hope to empower you on your natural health journey.